Okay guys, here we go with removing this engine. We're going to be removing that old BMW straight six engine, getting ready to put that nice beautiful LS1. There we go. And this is me here trying to figure out how to get this thing out of here. I'm using a jack, trying to jack it from the transmission in the back, muscling it, trying to see if I could get this thing up. Overall, it was not too bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being more difficult, I would say it's 3 fairly easily. This is me trying to get this thing down to the floor, celebrating. Just got it done. Yeah. Now this is what we have to work with here. 38 years of gunk and build up. Yeah. I see some rust there. Yeah. Right in that spot. Right where it drains. Completely ridiculous. That's where the sunroof drained. And I'm guessing because there's a insulation on the firewall, the water gets logged there and it sits there and it rusts out the car. That was just a bad design by BMW. They should have definitely drained it somewhere else. But see, it ate all the way through the firewall. So some much needed rust repair is going to need to get done there. Yeah. We're gonna have to pressure wash this thing and have a closer look. There goes that old insulation there. That was sitting on the firewall, and I'm guessing that's why that rust is there. Here I go, pressure washing all that grease. As I started pressure washing, I realized it's not as bad as I thought it was at first. For 38 years old and was actually sitting outside, it's not bad. There goes Preston giving me a hand. Oh, he likes this car. He's definitely a hard worker. Thank you, Preston. And there goes my other two boys. After all that grease is out the engine bay. Reminds me of that Flintstone movie. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.